Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Women Over 50 Fitness. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you some gentle yoga for seniors and beginners. We're going to do some great stretching exercises and then just finishing off with a little bit of a lay stretch, Shavasana, for just calming down the nervous system. So what we're going to do first is sit down and just literally place one foot in front of the other, hands onto our knees, and let's just gently roll our shoulders back, releasing any tension within the neck. Now, if you like, you can also place your hand onto your stomach, onto your tummy, just gently breathe in for 3 and hold that engagement, that core if you like. And also try to make sure your back is nice and straight as much as you can without hunching over. And then let's just come forward with the shoulders. Now if you can't find yourself sitting down, you can do this in a seated position rather than on a yoga mat. And then just roll the shoulders back again, just so we can actually just get them back into their sockets. So what we're going to do first, we're going to place one hand onto the mat here, taking the other hand, and then breathing out, just gently stretch to the left. So, well, depends on which way you're looking, to one side. Lovely stretch here on the obliques. Just hold this position. Come back up, and then again with the other arm coming all the way along. Lovely gentle stretch. Come back. And let's just do this 2 more times on each side. Come back up, holding in the core. Again, gentle stretch as far as you can. Obviously you don't want to overstretch. And then last time on each side. Come back up, and last time. And then gently come back up again. So now placing our hand onto our knees, we're going to gently come forward and literally work our way in a round circular motion one way. Just gently breathing in and out. And let's go the other way. Really releasing any tightness in the lower back and the hips. And come back into position. So let's now do a cat and cow. Right, so now the cat-cow position, you want to take your hands and really make them as wide as possible for lots of surface area and place them directly under your shoulders. Feet are nice and flat, and what we're going to do first, we're just gently going to rise up with our back, head down, and then come back and go in the opposite direction. And let's do this 5 times. Three, 4, and 5. And then just come back onto the ankles here and just gently stretch baby's pose. And gently come back up. Now what we're going to do, we're going to what they call threading the needle, if you like. So again, still in this position, we're going to take one hand and we're going to come through the opposite arm and then come all the way up and just reach out. And let's do this 5 times on each side. So that's 2, 3, 4, and 5, and gently come back, and then onto the other hand and arm if you like. So again, taking our arm, coming up, coming all the way through, bend, slight bend for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and come back up into our position, and again just gently rock back and come back up again. So now back again into our first position here with our one foot in front of the other. Let's just do a very gentle twist again. So I'm taking my legs out, I'm placing one foot in front of the other leg, placing one hand onto the knee, and then with the other hand we're just placing it behind our back, breathing, lifting up and gently stretching to the other side. A very gentle twist. And hold the position for a few moments. Gently come back, release the foot, and then with the other foot lifting up across to where the other knee is, placing one hand onto the knee, the other hand behind, lifting up, and just gently come across the other way, also breathing out whilst doing that. Holding the position and come back again and just release. So now what we're going to do, this is a little gentle stretch of the legs here. So you want to make sure your legs are nice and straight, and just first of all let's just take our toes and just really stretch at the ankles, coming backwards and forwards, and then just round circular motion one way and the other, and then taking our arms up, we're just going to just gently come down, place our hand onto our legs here, breathing out, and then just hold this position for a few moments. If you can touch your toes, that's even better. And gently come back up. So back in our seated position, we're just going to take our hands now, place them out, interlock our fingers and bring it forward. Real stretch. Lifting up above the head and back down again. Let's do this another 3 times, interlocking our fingers if you like, pushing out, lifting up, stretching down, and for the last time with this exercise, pushing out, lifting up, and coming down again. And then a few gentle breaths. So now let's just do a little bit of a lay and do some Shavasana to really calm down the nervous system, get everything back settling, if you like, into the body. So we're just going to come down, and you just want to make sure that you're nice and warm, and you just want to very gently lay down. If you like, you can place your hands by the side, palms facing up, or alternatively you can place them onto your heart or onto your tummy. And I'm going to place them in an upwards motion, gently closing the eyes and steady the breath. Breathing in through the nose out through the mouth. Relaxing your eyes, any tension in the jaw, relaxing the face, just everything relaxed. Relaxing tension within the neck, and just really concentrate on relaxing those shoulders, arms to the fingers, concentrating on your breath. Relaxing your hips, your knees and thighs. Relaxing the calves, ankles and your feet, all the way to your toes. Gently breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. And then just very gently, just wiggle your feet, your toes, your fingers, and just get some movement into the body. Now if you like, you can still stay in this position, or if you want, you can just very gently lift up your knees, come to the side, opening the eyes, and coming back into our seated position. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and found it really interesting and relaxing, and you're nice and stretched and nice and relaxed as well. If you're not already subscribed please consider subscribing for more content and a thumbs up. It really does help the algorithm. And please comment down below. Tell me if there's any other yoga or any exercises you'd like me to share with you. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.